Biggest achievement for commercial? Well, that's obviously our increase in our commercial customer base. That's through obviously the help and support that we've got from our head office here, plus our networking. And ServiceMaster is a very strong brand out in the local community, so that has enabled us to be able to offer more services, including window cleaning, gutter cleaning, fire cleans, and many different types of insurance work. So our biggest achievement obviously is taking that brand to the next level. Through the various case studies that we've been supplied with and the various other marketing material, that's enabled us to be able to go out to the local area and offer our services on a more wider scale, giving that ServiceMaster brand that full local expertise to all concerned. Well, obviously, we'd like to see more people employed, because it's obviously always good to help the local unemployment or employment per se as a point. Again, we obviously want to increase our customer base tenfold, increase the revenue that comes in here. We want to help those local businesses that struggle to look at their cleaning needs and requirements and know that they've got a managed 24 hours a day, 365 days service to use. So by using our additional services, as I've already mentioned, our windows, our gutter cleaning, fire cleans, our insurance work, our void clearances, we can pretty much turn ourselves to anything. So please feel free to give us a call. To go it alone is quite difficult. I feel with ServiceMaster you have the support, some very important people, and those with the correct knowledge, and those that are able to improve your business plan. So you may have a business plan on your own, but the support of this network allows you to spread your wings and then look for the bigger work and alongside the smaller work, which will keep your revenue ticking in, day out. Well, I see us as a business having more employees, having more locally based customers. The digital revolution we feel is helping with the app and the technology, which allows us even better facilities to offer that service in terms of a residential cleaning.